is worse than smoking one stick of cigarette, which reduces your life for 11 minutes. 1 hour of sitting reduces 22 minutes. Tas ito pang na-discover ko. Okay, sitting increases the risks of death for up to 40%. And sitting 6+ hours per day makes you 40% likelier to die within 15 years.
OMG, sabi ni Teresa.
I know. And even if you exercise for 30 minutes every day, you are still prone to develop to being at risk of death for up to 40%. Di ba nakakatakot? So sitting disease causes 94% higher chances of death in ano ba tong nauna? In women who sit 6+ hours a day compared to those who stand more often. Tapos 48% naman sa men, higher chance of death if you're sitting for 6+ hours a day. Eh tayo, ilang oras na tayo nakaupo ngayon? 'Di ba? O kanina
nakatayo tayo ngayon.
Nakatayo tayo ngayon. Ito yung naging solusyon, ito yung naging solusyon natin to combat sitting disease. Pero in a regular day, how many hours do you spend in traffic sitting? 'Di ba? 1 hour, 2 hour. And then in the office, if you work in the office, how many hours in the office? O pag drive nyo pauwi, ilang oras na naman 'yon? So 5, 6.
Pag nood ng telenovela,
Pagod kayo, manonood kayo ng telenovela or Korean novela, di ba? O, nakaka-6 na oras kayo. And all these lead to higher chances of death. Ano yan, di ba? So, nakakatakot na merong sitting disease. It's really all about the sedentary lifestyle. And according to this research, 20% of breast cancer complaints is because of sitting continuously.
Wow.
27% of diabetes complaints is because sitting more times in a day. 30% of heart disease, 25% of digestive tract cancer. Lahat ng yan dahil nakaupo tayo ng madalas in one day.
So paano yan?